Dates biscuit. Hello friends and family, welcome to my simple cooking channel. Today I'm going to show something different, and it's a simple biscuit using dates as a filling. And the ingredients are dates. Here I have around 250 grams, but I might not be using all these dates. I have to remove the seeds and cut into pieces, which I'll show later. 2 cups plain flour or maida, 100 grams butter at room temperature, might not be needed all, 1 egg, half a cup milk, half a cup sugar. Beat egg and add to the flour and mix well with a spoon or the same fork. Mix evenly. Now add half the butter to it and using a hand mix nicely. Now add the sugar and mix evenly. And add more butter and mix it. At this point you can press and see if this is the constant we need. Now add little milk to it and try to make a dough. Do not use more milk. Use little by little, use little more. And now it should be like this. Not like chapati dough, a bit softer, not too soft. I have remainder milk around 1/4 cup. Divide the dough into 4 or 3 rolls. Round it and keep it aside. Now for the filling, cut the dates into 4 or 5 pieces. Remove the seeds. The skin is not necessary to remove, but if you wish you can do it. This is how we do it. Keep aside. If you wish to take out the skin, you can take it out. Now you can take a dough and put it on a chapati board and the roller. I'm using a plastic like this, how I'm showing. Don't roll too thick or too thin. Just do like I am doing. This is how it looks like. The thickness will do. Now cut the edge to get a straight line. Assemble the dates like how I'm showing. If the dates are too thick, just press it and place it on the dough. Now roll it by using the plastic. Iron with your hand. Remove the plastic a bit and roll it again. Okay, just follow how I'm doing. Okay, remove the plastic and cut at the edge slowly. Do not cut hard, you might cut the plastic. Take out the dough and roll it. At the edge, cut off because it is empty. Now cut all into 1 inches or more if you wish. Adjust with your hand. The side don't cover, let the dates be seen. And place it on a greased tray which I have greased with butter. and continue doing all until you have finished doing or you have filled the tray. This is white egg. I'm going to dress it not for the taste but to have a glazing and shiny look. Just continue doing all. I'll be using microwave oven. If you have electric or gas oven, will be better. Okay, as you can see how I'm doing, just continue doing like this. Okay, this is my microwave oven. I'm using 350 volt and 20 minutes I'm going to use. After 10 minutes I will check it. Okay, here we go. After 10 minutes I will check, or I might need more time, or maybe 15 minutes will do. Okay, I have used 25 minutes to have a crispy taste, and this is how it looks like, the delicious biscuit. Taste the dates biscuit. Please try it and tell me in my comments box and pass it on. Thank you for watching my channel. Have a great day. Thank you and bye. See you again in my next channel.